holder for toothbrushes, a bookmark, a flower pot, a pen, and even jewelry are made out of Legos. Learn useful Lego crafts in our new video. Rosie and Ben's house is busy first thing in the morning. They are running late to school. Ben gets prepared and eats at the same time. But he forgot something. Ben didn't have time to brush his teeth. His sister makes him go to the bathroom. It won't take up a lot of time. Plus, timing is easy now that we have a new toothbrush stand. It's a special hourglass. Make a square piece with hollows out of Legos. Attach a rectangular base to the back. Fasten a rotating detail to the center and attach an hourglass to it. Add a strip of double-sided foam tape to the back. Hot glue 2 Lego figurines to the top. Put their hands up and stick toothbrushes into the stand. Ben gets toothpaste and a toothbrush from a Lego man. Go hygiene! And Rosie turns over the hourglass on the stand and sets 1 minute. Ben won't let go of his toothbrush until the last grain of sand falls. At last, his time is up, and Ben's teeth are spick and span. Now it's Rosie's turn to brush her teeth. Rosie brings a mysterious slime to the bathroom. It's holding pieces of Lego hostage. Rosie will set her Legos free. And the slime starts making foam when it touches water. It's so much fun. But Ben doesn't think so. The poor guy has been trying to get to the bathroom for an hour. And Rosie's keeping it occupied with her tricks. His patience is about to run out. He plans on an invasion and forces his way into the bathroom. Oops! Rosie made it easier for him. I wonder what she was doing here for so long. Nothing illegal! Rosie was just creating a new Lego soap design. Take Lego figurines and bricks. Put little pieces of Lego into a bottle of clear liquid soap. Spread them over with a wooden skewer. Then put in a dog and a Lego figurine. Dive in, friend! Cover the bottle with a pump. Rosie presents her new design to her brother. Now that's a soap masterpiece! And why did Rosie drown a dog and a Lego figurine in soap? She's so cruel! Hurry up, Ben! The bathroom is finally free! Ben is reading a guide on ruling the world. But something keeps distracting him. It's either Rosie or his phone. He gets so annoyed that he loses his page. Well, ruling the world is pretty difficult. But Rosie will help her brother concentrate. She has a good idea of how to cheer him up. Rosie came up with an interesting bookmark. Cut a strip out of foam paper. Glue 2 halves of a Minecraft Lego figurine to the ends of the strip. Make colorful foam paper circles using a hole puncher. And glue 2 of the same color circles in a row. Make the strip look like a Lego brick. Rosie brings a Minecraft Lego figurine and divides it in half. The man stretches out into a long ribbon. It's a useful bookmark. Steve from Minecraft crawls into Ben's book. Now he'll guard Ben's page. Ben comes back to the future from the 80s. Why did he bring so much trash? Our grandma's boombox? Ben says that playing games on your phone is a thing of the past now. And here is a classic Lego maze. This is so old school. Attach strips of double-sided tape to a sheet of thick cardboard. Fasten a base out of Lego plates. Build a maze with a few exits on top. Make holes on the edges of a sheet of clear plastic using a hole puncher and attach it to the field by fastening it with square Lego pieces. Put a bead inside the maze. Ben is eagerly playing with his maze from the age of the dinosaurs. Rosie is interested in it too. Come on, bro, let me try it out. The game from the previous century attracts Rosie. 80s vibes. A Lego maze isn't retro, it's classic. Rosie wants some new accessories. She's talking Ben's ear off and shoves a jewelry catalog right into his face. Why isn't he getting my hints? Fine. Ben hears his sister out. Now he'll come up with something. Attach corners of different colors to a 4x4 square Lego plate. Trace it on a piece of faux leather and cut out a square. Cut holes for a pin on it. Attach a brooch pin and hot glue the detail to the Lego. Make a rectangular necklace pendant out of smaller bricks the same way. Attach a leather cord. Fasten a clasp to it. Ben brings a surprise for Rosie. Close your eyes. All right, here is your gift. Rosie really wanted a new accessory, but she didn't expect this. A Lego pendant? Hold on, Ben. Rosie has a surprise too. Rosie is thinking about something to give her brother. She's inspired by Legos, but she needs to pack the gift well. What should she do? A ribbon gives her a clue that she has to put her gift into a gift box, and a Lego picture prompts her to an awesome gift design. Let's combine Lego and paints. Take a box wrapped in white paper. Dip 3 Lego bricks of different sizes into acrylic paint. And make imprints on the box one after another. Cover the entire box and the lid. Tie satin ribbon around it. Rosie prepared a present and put it into a nice Lego box just like her brother likes. Ben is so excited to open it. What's inside? Rosie gave her brother a brooch from the same Lego collection as her necklace. It's a badge fit for President Business. Well, now that's a surprise. Ben is a fan of Emmett Brickkowski, and he can't resist Rosie's request to take a selfie with their Lego accessories. Our siblings are Lego jewelry trendsetters. Rosie is busy cleaning, and she asks Ben to help her out. But this incompetent cleaning boy plays with his toys instead, and he accidentally knocks over his mom's favorite plant. It leaves us forever. And what should we do now? I've got a Lego idea. We will make a new flower pot out of Legos, which will be even better than the previous one. Put Lego pieces on a construction site. Make a square base. Build high walls on top out of colorful Legos and put in a potted plant. Stick in a skewer with the name of the plant. Decorate the pot with a Lego figurine. They put their mom's flowers into it, and it looks so much better and brighter. Now we should run before Mom comes. Rosie is writing an important report, but her pen lets her down at the worst moment. She has so much work to do. How is she supposed to manage? A Lego pen comes to the rescue. Make a long cylinder out of round Lego pieces. Cover the edge with a flat plug. Attach a cone to the other side. Put in a ballpoint pen refill and fasten it with a small cone. Rosie finishes her entire work with just one swoop of her Lego pen. What a perfect pen! It puts itself together. And Rosie just has to write down the last sentence. This Lego pen saves her scientific work. Did you like our Lego tricks? Then let us know in the comments which ideas you'll use and what you want to make out of Lego. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new Lego tricks on Troom.